Hello everyone, it's me JB from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I will show you best free online video downloader for any computer or smartphones. So without further more delay, let's begin. So right now I'm using a Windows computer, so if you're using a Mac, Linux, or if you're using an Android or iOS smartphones or tablets, still the tricks will remain the same. So firstly, what you need to do is just open any web browser, and in the Google search, just search for one name, save the video, and on the first list you will see one website, savethevideo.com. Just open it. Now it's asking to paste the video link here, so let me open one video website. So finally you can see here I have tons of video files, right? So let me download one video file here from here. So let me download one video. So let me download this video. So now what I will do, I'll just copy this video link, and now I'll just paste it here on the save the video website, and now just click on start. So now you can see here download MP4 option, and you can select the format here. So right now the video format is available only in the MP4, so you can just click on this download MP4. Now you can see here three dot icon, just click on it, and now just click on download. Now the download will get started. So if you are unable to download using the first method, then you can do one thing. You can select here one option written convert. You can just convert it. If you are unable to download directly, just click on convert, and now just select the format. Say I want to select the MP4. You can select different video formats if you want to convert it. So I'll just select the MP4 and just click on convert to MP4. Wait for a few seconds. So finally the conversion has completed. Now just click on download option. Now you can see it's automatically gets downloaded. So by using this free online video downloader website, you can easily download any online videos completely for free in any computer or smartphones very easily. So if you never known about this very useful website, then you should definitely give it a try. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button, and lastly, thanks for watching.